Everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol DGLY. This is a daily chart. We put out an alert this morning, pre-market, with news for DGLY and for TASR, and then this turned into the big, one of the big top gainers today for the big boards. And as you can see here, there was this move above the middle Bollinger Band and above EMA's 4 and 8. As you can see, there was this drop back here on the 20th below the middle Bollinger Band that started this downtrend. And then now today you have this break back above the middle Bollinger Band and above EMA's 4 and 8. So that this could be the signaling the start of a new uptrend. So that's what we're looking for now. There was a close above the upper Bollinger Band at 720. So that is the first support level on a pullback. And then the second support level is down here at EMA4 at 658. If you look up here at Fasto, it closed at 92.58. So it is now up in the above 80 overbought power zone. So that's going to be the key here. Can DGLY head higher while above 80 in Fasto? There was a little bit more upside here. That's going to be the thing. There's not a lot of juice on Fasto, and then you've got RSI up here is at 67.66. So the overbought power zone on RSI is above 70. So now you're just hitting that level. So that's going to be the same thing. So the question going forward to continue this run will be, can DGLY head higher while in the power zone on RSI and Fasto? Okay, let's look at the down here at MACD. There was this MACD bullish crossover last week. As you can see, the green line crossed the red line, so that's a nice move to the upside. And then the big thing today is this volume bar. There's this huge volume spike. So that was a not only was this a big move today, but it was on giant volume, and you're getting this close near high of day. So there wasn't a big sell-off in today. So that's nice. There wasn't a lot of people taking profits into the close. So this is the important chart in my opinion. Okay, this is a clean look at the 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages on the daily chart. And as you can see here, the 50-day moving average was resistance. In October, DGLY attempted to break that level, but failed, and this pullback followed. And so now there's a close today above the 50-day moving average, which was the key level to break. So that was a huge close above the 50-day simple moving average at $6.59, so 6.59, and that is the key level to turn into support. The key level to hold if there is a pullback. The next key level to break is going to be the 100-day moving average at 8.65. Okay, look at the next chart here. Okay, this is the same chart as the last chart, except for this has been annotated, and you can see here there's you could see the resist. Not only was the 50-day moving average resistance level broke today, not only did that break, but this red descending resistance line, as you can see, that was hit during this downtrending channel. And so there was a close above that level, and that's the first close above that level since this channel was created back here in August. So that was a very bullish move. You could see where the close was. The close was lining up with these with the previous highs. Okay, so that's going to be you want to see a break above these two horizontal resistance lines, and that's going to put the 100-day moving average up here on deck, and that will be the next key level to break. Will be the 100-day moving average. If DGLY can break above the 100-day moving average, that would put the 200-day moving average at 1103 on deck. So this is a nice start. Take a look at the next chart. This is a 5-minute chart, and this is showing today's action. Each candle represents 5 minutes of trading. This is just a one-day chart, and as you can see, this is very strong throughout the most of the day here. And then at 1 o'clock there was this little break below the middle Bollinger Band, traded sideways, and then quickly at 2 o'clock started riding, candles started riding in what we call the bullish upper Bollinger Band channel between middle Bollinger Band support and upper band Bollinger Band resistance, while riding EMA's 4 and 8 support higher. I mean, this is a really nice looking intraday chart here. And then Fasto is actually below the bull zone. and you have RSI between 50 and 70 and in the bull zone, so they both have juice to run. There was a volume spike into the close. There was this bearish crossover. So the key for this chart is going to be the middle Bollinger Band, this dotted purple line. What bulls want to see is they want to see it's currently at 746. You want to see that level hold. If the middle Bollinger Band breaks, that's going to put the lower Bollinger Band at 726 on deck. Okay, and then what you want to look at next is the 15-minute chart. Okay, and this is showing, just how bullish DGLY was today. I mean, this is a very, very strong chart. The entire day, candles were forming above EMA's 4 and 8, riding their support higher. The candles never even tested the middle Bollinger Band. So that was just a very strong move today on the 15-minute chart. So going forward, you can see the upper Bollinger Band at 766 is the key resistance level to break, and now it's pinched. The candles are forming directly between EMA's 4 and 8 and the upper Bollinger Band. So one of the two are going to break. They're either this support line is going to break, or this resistance line is going to break. If the resistance line breaks, that's going to send the share price possibly up to that 100-day moving average on the daily chart. If the support breaks, as you can see, EMA 8 held the entire day. So if tomorrow you see this green line break, that's going to put this middle Bollinger Band on deck. The middle Bollinger Band, this dotted line, is the line in the sand. As long as candles stay above this level, above the middle Bollinger Band on the 15-minute chart, the uptrend should continue. If this level turns into resistance, then that will signal the start of a new downtrend. So tomorrow, I suggest having your 15-minute chart open with the Bollinger Bands and EMAs 4 and 8, and just watch it like a hawk or like an osprey. And if you're bullish, just make sure that candles are still riding above this level. All right, take a look down here at MACD. You'll see it's pinched. Look how pinched that is. Super tight. It's like flipping back and forth between bull and bear crosses. And as you can see, as it's tight, the Bollinger Bands are tight. This is showing the consolidation. The chart is winding tight, so there's going to be either a further move to the upside tomorrow or a breakdown. It's all going to depend on whether or not support holds and resistance breaks. Okay, congrats to everyone who traded DGLY today. Good job. All right, I hope everybody has a great day. Please check out our website. We have great educational information, charts, videos, and a nice chat. So I hope you're doing good. The chat is where we give our information first. So if you want the earliest information, please check out the chat. All right, have a great day.